Today I'm going to teach you how to make homemade soft pretzels. First, you're going to need 1.5 cups of preheated water of 110 to 115 degrees. Then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, and an active pack of dry yeast. I would recommend using a stand-up mixer for this project. So I'm going to add in the warm water. And the salt, or the sugar, sorry. Put in the salt. Then I'm going to take my yeast and sprinkle that on there. And then I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes or until the yeast is until it begins to foam. At this point, you can measure out the flour for the next steps. This is what the foam mixture should look like when you're ready to move on. You may be wondering what the purpose of the yeast is. The purpose of the yeast is to cause the dough to rise. We have measured out 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 ounces of unsalted butter. Add the flour, and the unsalted butter, and using the dough hook, mix on a low speed. Until it is well combined. Do that for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Then change the mixer to medium speed and knead until the dough is smooth and falls away from the bowl for at least 4 to 5 minutes. Once it's smooth, remove it from the bowl. And then you're going to oil it with vegetable or canola oil, whatever you prefer. And then you're going to take the dough and put it back in the bowl. And you're going to cover it with plastic wrap for 50 to 55 minutes. In a warm place. While we let the dough rise, I put the oven to 450. And then I did 2 half-sheet pans with parchment paper and put canola oil on it. And then I took 1 large egg yolk, and 1 tablespoon of water to make an egg wash. And then put 10 cups of water and 2/3 cup of baking soda to a rolling, I brought it to a rolling boil. And then here's the dough. See how the yeast helped it rise? So now I'm going to take the dough out of the bowl. I'm going to spread it out. Into a kind of square shape, so I can cut it into 8 equal pieces. Kind of, I mean. Seven, 8. So now you're going to roll them out into 24 inches. Or approximately 24 inches. And I will be back in a little bit to do the rest and show you how to put them in a actual pretzel shape. Okay, I'm back and I have cut them and rolled them out into 24 inches. And I'm going to take it into a U shape and I'm going to cross it over and cross the other one over and press that down, and and then there's that. Or if you prefer, you can take it, fold it into a, fold it over and then twist it into kind of like a pretzel rod, kind of. And then that's what they should look like. And then you're going to put them in the water using the flat spatula. And I'm going to put that in there for 30 seconds. And the baking soda water helps the outside of it, the crust of it, become chewy. So we're going to do that for 30 seconds. And then once we do that for 30 seconds, we're going to take it and then put it on the, if it will stay. That one did not. And then we're going to take it, put egg wash on it, and then we're going to take the kosher salt, since we don't have pretzel salt. We're going to just sprinkle it on, and then do it again. I'm going to take this one, we're going to take this one. And if you also would like, you could put them into like little pretzel bites, kind of. So once you have put the pretzel dough into your favorite pretzel shape and have egg washed them, and the purpose of the egg wash is to add that golden brown to the pretzel and the salt. So now we are going to put them in the oven for 12 to 14 minutes. It's not good. So I'm going to put it to 13 minutes. It's not working. And then now you wait until they're all done, and then you can enjoy it with your favorite cheese dip or dipping sauce. And thank you so much for watching.